Hey there, today I'll be walking you through how to access Google Calendar in Gmail on the web. Open Gmail in your web browser. Once your inbox loads with all your emails displayed, look down to the bottom right corner of the Gmail interface. You'll see a small button with an arrow icon. This is the Show Side Panel button. Click on the Show Side Panel button in that bottom right corner. The sidebar will slide out from the right side of the screen, and you'll see a row of icons for different Google Workspace tools. Google Calendar, Google Keep, and Google Tasks will all appear there. In that sidebar on the right, find the Google Calendar icon. It's a small calendar icon. Click on it. A mini calendar will appear in that right sidebar showing your upcoming events. You can now see your schedule and manage your calendar directly from Gmail without having to switch tabs or open a separate window. Once the calendar opens, you can add new events by clicking on any date in the mini calendar. To view full details or make changes to an event, click on it, and then choose Edit in Google Calendar for the advanced options. If you want to hide the side panel again when you're done, just click the Hide Side Panel button back down in the bottom right corner. Thanks for watching.